Hi there. I'm doing my tutoring with my student here. This is lesson number 2. Here we go. All right, Lila. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring the book up on the screen, and I am going to cover up the title. I want you, based on the title, or not the title, but the picture I'm going to show you, I want you to think about what this book could be about. So close your eyes for a second so I can put it up. Thank you. Okay, hold on. Hold on. Keep them close. You're doing great. Okay. Oh. Okay. Okay. So, does it do it this way? Okay. So, based on, I'm going to take this off. You can look now. Okay. So, based on what you see here, what do you think this book is about?
It's like Jack and the Beanstalk, but with donuts.
Jack and the Beanstalk with donuts. That's a really good guess. I love that. Jack and the Beanstalk stocks with donuts. Very cool. Well, what do you think is going on with that character? How do you think that character is feeling in the beginning of the book? Mad. Why do you think he's mad?
Maybe because he lost something.
Maybe because he lost something?
And it made everything a mess.
Oh, I'd be frustrated too if that happened, I guess. So, now that you've guessed what you think the title is, I want you to read the title. Are you ready?
Giant's Tale.
Very good. So this book is about a giant, okay? And he receives a very special gift. And something happens with this gift throughout the story. And lots of challenges happen with the gift and himself. So while we read this book, we're going to find out what happens to the giant and this very special gift, okay? Very good. So before we start the story, we are going to talk about special vocabulary that you might see in the book. So remember we did this in lesson 1? Yep. And so what was the story called in lesson 1? Very good. And it was about, what was it about? It was about skunks. Very cool. I'm super happy that you remembered that. So we're going to talk about special vocabulary. So it's kind of like a game. I made it like a game for you because I thought it'd be really fun. So the first part is a picture. And with this picture, we're going to guess what we think the vocabulary word is. It's kind of fun. I'm very excited to do it with you. Are you ready? Okay. All right. Here it goes. So what is that? An axe. So what is an axe? What does an axe do?
It chops down trees.
It chops down trees. Yeah. What types of things use axe or people use axe, you think?
Chopping trees, so people can have fires.
So what kind of people?
You
don't know?
Just people who want fires.
Sure. Sure, campers, like they need fires, right?
Yep.
So you think they would use an axe?
Yep.
Cool. How about lumberjacks? Do you think lumberjacks will need them?
Or maybe for logs around the campfire at campsites.
Yeah. Yeah, maybe like a sheriff. Sure. So an axe is a sharp object used to cut wood or other things. You did, so you were correct. Okay. There is a little door at the bottom. That is a beanstalk. That's correct. So a beanstalk. What is a beanstalk? What is a beanstalk? Got excited. We're playing the game. It's fun.
It's something that grows to get big in fairy tales.
Okay, yeah, that's cool. So in relation, yeah, this is something that grows tall in fairy tales. So a beanstalk is a stem of a bean plant. But yes, in this case, it comes from the ground. It's a beanstalk that comes from the ground and it goes to the sky, right? Okay. What? Hannah has a little door. What do you think this is?
Medicine.
You think it's medicine? Do you think that's what the word is? Okay. So the word is cure. That's a little bit hard, but that's what I could find for that. So a cure. What is a cure?
Medicine.
Yeah, that's a good way to describe that.
Like, like, I believe they have a little medicine that you take during quarantine.
Okay. That's a really good descriptor and a good relation to now. So I'm glad that that was a connection for you. So a cure is something that helps another person or thing get rid of a sickness. Yeah, so you did really good with that. Okay, next one.
Somebody's really angry.
Somebody's really angry. So what word do you think that we're using, or what word do you think that's going to come out of it?
Mad or upset.
Mad or upset? Okay, let's see. Grumbled. What does it mean to grumble? So if I'm grumbling at you, what do you think it means?
You're mad.
Mad. Okay. 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 So it means to complain. That's what grumble means. Grumbled. So the word is grumbled. Okay. Okay. We're gonna try something a little different this time. What do you think this is?
It's a hurt.
It is. So what word do you think we're gonna talk about?
Hurt.
Okay. Okay. So let's sound it out.
How? Heals. Heals.
Heels. Very good.
Fix an injury. Like
Yes.
when I got my leg broke.
That's
On my arm.
yeah, so when you broke your leg in your arm, it healed. So heals is the word. It means to fix an injury. Very good. I like how you sounded that out really slowly that time.
A food shop.
A food shop. What's another word for a food shop?
A shop.
A shop, okay. So let's see what it says.
Store.
A store. Okay. That's another one. Okay. So it's called a
Market.
market. So what's a market?
A place that sells food and other stuff.
It does. Yeah.
Did
you see my definition? No. Okay. Wow, you're that good. Okay, yeah. So a place where people gather to buy food and buy different things. It's kind of the market. Slipping. Okay. So let's see what word that is. That's close, but let's sound out each letter. T, a, p, p, l, e, d. Toppled, which means to fall. Yep. So goofy is falling or toppling, but this is toppled. Okay. How about this one? Giving. That's really good. That's a really good description of this. So giving. Okay. T, a, d.
To buy. To buy or sell something from someone else.
Very good. So traded. That's another vocabulary word that you're going to see in that. Okay?
Pumpkins.
Pumpkins. What's it in?
I forget what they're called. It's some sort of wagon.
Okay. Okay. So it's pumpkins in a wagon. Let's see what we got here.
Wagon.
Wagon load. Yep. So it's what someone can carry on the back of a wagon. It's called wagon load. Okay. And that is the end. So those are the vocabulary words we are going to observe in this story. So it's called Giant's Tale. So, okay. So, we are going to start the story.